Okay, my peeps, welcome back to another video. Thank you for tuning in to Urban Adventure channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like this channel. So I have have something here from Amazon. Just got my package from Amazon, and I'm gonna do a reveal or an unboxing right now of what of the product that I have. It's a surprise. I told myself that I needed something good this year because I'll be taking an adventure this year, hopefully sometime this year. I hope there's no issues with the war and what's going on that is gonna prevent me from doing that. But as you can see, just unboxing, put this away, and of course this product I bought it on Amazon. Kind of excited, was dying to come home this evening to see it and to do this unboxing. So I'll just show you what it is as we go along. One more box to go. Would you look at that? And it's a boy. Congratulations, it's a boy. So let's see what we have here. So as you can see, let me hold it up so you can see it properly. As you can see here, what I have, this is my Insta 360 Ace Pro that I bought from Amazon. Comes with also this product support, access to Insta 360. There you go, guys. Why don't we pull this bad boy out and see what it looks like? So by all means, I am no professional when it comes to camera, but I just keep buying cheap cameras and getting no service out of them. I think like on my desk right here, there might be like 3 or 4 cameras sitting on my desk right here right now, which are of no use to me because I bought very cheap ones. So I just told myself, why not go for something good this year, since I wanna start something different this year, see if I can build my channel. So I decided, why not just go ahead and get something. I don't know how this, oh, here we go. See if we can open this bad boy here. And here we go, guys. Here's my brand new baby, just coming out of the box. Insta 360 Ace Pro. Here you go. Has a nice weight to it. I'm not sure how much this weighs. I don't have a camera scale right now to weigh and tell you, but let's see what else we got in the box here. As you can see, brand new. You guys are seeing it with me. I know these cameras, they have good ratings so far, so to speak. I guess most vloggers have been using them, and they seem to have good recording in low lights and stuff like that. So let me see what are the accessories here that we got with this camera. Not sure what this is. Alright, let's look. So let's look at all the hardwares that come with it. As you can see, this here is a mount support for your selfie stick. And also here you got like a suction cup for your selfie stick as well. or whatever you want to put it to. And then you have your standard charging cable right here that came with the product. Let's tear this bad boy open and see what it looks like. So here we go. It's standard charging cable. This is called what, the C to C port or whatever. And that's about it. Nothing else in the box. Alright, so here we go. Engineered with Liesa. That's the Insta 360 Pro. I guess it's not the latest on the market right now, but whatever, who cares? I just want to make sure that I have something good. So my first GoPro type camera was my XTU, which is this one right here. I took this one with me to the Philippines. As a matter of fact, this was the one that I lost when I stepped off the boat in the Philippines. It fell out of my pocket because I had my daughter with me. We were doing island hopping, so that one fell. And ever since we found it back, the volume, what I noticed with these, after a while, then the volume goes like it start giving you a crackling sound and all that. So other than that, it was a good camera though. I really enjoyed using this camera, good quality, and all that, wide angle and all that. So aside from the issue that I had with the crackling of the, it just has this crackling sound whenever you're recording. It doesn't seem to go away or whatever, and over time it seems to get worse until the volume eventually went. So and the battery life also. So therefore I'm not using that one anymore. Then I went ahead and I gambled with this one, the Aldo. This one, it's not really so much of a bad camera, but at night it doesn't record. It does a poor recording at night. This one I also got it. Was it on Amazon too? I think I got all these on Amazon. So this was the one that I bought to replace the XTU, thinking that, the only good thing I like with this, it has a long battery life, extended battery life. So that's the good thing about it. But other than that, the sound also, the volume is kind of muffled with this, I guess because of you can hear like that cheap plastic that they use to make it. It's not fully compact. And it doesn't have a good stabilizer inside of it. So that's one of the reasons why I still use it every now and then when I get the chance, because like I said, I like it, the mere fact that it has a long battery life and all that. It's just kind of getting used to it or whatever. Then I said, let me try with something cheap, so I went ahead and I got this one as well. Haven't used it yet, but then when I looked at it, the quality, I didn't like what I was looking at or whatever. I didn't like the quality of it. I think I paid something like maybe $80 something for this one, but I didn't like the quality. After it finally came and I looked at it, I didn't like the quality, for the mere fact that the screen, it's not touch screen and all that. It also has a flip screen that you can use for vlogging or whatever. I would most likely use this one like indoors if I'm doing like indoors stuff. Right now I'm using my phone to record. So like I said, guys, this this is just another extension. These things, like a lot of people will tell you, once you start buying, it's like you can't stop. it's like you're always gonna try to find the latest, because I like having good quality videos to show when I'm recording or whatever. So therefore I'm always gonna try to see if I can do my best, because I think good quality video is very important. So here we go, and then I think I'll be able to find a selfie stick somewhere here to put this bad boy onto. But yeah, here we go. Insta360 Ace Pro. And if there's any battery life in it, but let's power it up and see. Yeah. Oh, sweet sound. And here you go. The cool thing about this camera, unlike the others that carry like two screens like this one, it has a, is it a 2-inch display there, and then it has a like a 1-inch display. I don't know how well you can see it, the lighting. The trick with this one is that you can flip. I don't want to break anything here, but for sure, yeah, there you go. He's excuse me. So you squeeze these two little buttons at the sides here, and then you lift it up and it flips, and there you go. So if you're doing a selfie or you're recording or whatever and you need to, all you do, you flip it, and there you go, guys. So pretty neat. I think these cameras, they have good resolution, wide angle lens, and also the zooming capability is very advanced. I think they have the Ace Pro 2 now as well. I'm not sure how much different that is from the Ace Pro itself, but Insta360, this is the guy that's gonna be working all this summer. See if I can get some good quality videos for you guys and see how it goes. All right, let's put this screen back down, close it. It clicks and then you know it's locked, so it's not going anywhere until you press these two buttons right here. I don't know how well you can see it. Press those two buttons right there and you're good to go. Let's see if I can get this light on. Alright, there we go. So like I said, guys, it has two buttons at the sides. One right here, power button is right here, the recording button is at top, and that's basically it. I think the battery is here. I gotta figure out how to open this guy to get access to the battery. But yeah, and it's supposed to be waterproof up to a certain, I'm not sure. I'll have to go through and read all the instructions and everything right here. I haven't done that yet. As you can see, I just unboxed it with you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and go through and see all the features and how to operate this camera. But yeah, I just wanted you guys to see. Here we go, Insta360 Ace Pro, my new camera, my new toy for the summer. So looking forward to bringing you lots of good videos and adventures from this camera. Until then, guys, I'll give you further update, but until then, over and out. Talk to you next time. And don't forget, if you like my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, guys, there you go, over and out. Urban Adventures. Don't forget, over and out.